Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make a frap in a blender. Now, fraps are typically sold at local coffee shops for about $4 to $5 a pop. Now, that's a lot of money for a coffee-based beverage, and you can make them at home for a fraction of the price. All you're going to need is a home blender. You're going to need some milk. You're going to need a coffee-flavored syrup that you could find down the coffee aisle in your local grocery store. You're going to need some maple syrup, some whipped cream, and a cup of ice. Today we're making a 16-ounce Frappuccino, and you could double or triple this recipe to make multiple fraps at one time at home in your blender. We're also going to need some instant coffee. Now today we're using these instant coffee packets, but you could also use instant coffee that comes in a jar, or you can use a shot of espresso if you have a home espresso machine. What we're going to do first is we're going to measure out our milk. You're going to take 1 cup of milk and you're going to add that to your blender. After the cup of milk, you're going to add a half a cup of maple syrup and put that in the blender. Then you're going to add a half a cup of the coffee flavored syrup of your choice. Again, you can use hazelnut, you could use mocha, you could use vanilla, whatever you prefer. After you have those wet ingredients in there, you're then going to take 2 packets of instant coffee, 1 shot of espresso, or 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and add that into the blender as well. Then you're going to top it off with your 16-ounce cup of ice filled to the top. Pour that in your blender. Then you're going to blend the beverage on high for about 2 to 3 minutes, or you could blend it on the smoothie setting if your blender comes with preset settings. When you're done blending after about 2 to 3 minutes, you're then going to want to check the consistency of the beverage. If it's too thick for your liking or it may be too liquidy, you could either add ice to make it thicker or more milk to make it thinner, and then blend again for about 30 more seconds. After that, you're going to pour it into your serving glass, top it off with whipped cream, and you will have your Frappuccino ready to go. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make a frap in a blender.